Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets as a simple database for an AI agent inside n8n. This is useful when you don't need a full vector database setup but still want your AI agent to answer from real company data like refund policies, shipping rules, cancellation terms, FAQs, or internal knowledge. By the end of this workflow, you'll have a Telegram chatbot that receives a user question, searches the right row inside Google Sheets, sends that information to an OpenAI model, and replies back with an accurate answer. Step 1. Telegram trigger. The workflow starts with the Telegram trigger node. This node listens for incoming Telegram messages. When a user sends a question like, "What is our refund policy?" the workflow captures the message text and passes it into the AI agent. So Telegram becomes the front-end chat interface for the user. Step 2. AI agent. Next, the message goes into the AI agent node. This is the main brain of the workflow. The agent receives the user's question from Telegram and decides how to answer it. Instead of guessing from the model's memory, the agent is instructed to use the connected Google Sheets tool whenever the user asks about company policies, refunds, shipping, cancellations, warranty, or company information. This is what makes Google Sheets work like a lightweight knowledge base. Step 3. OpenAI Chat Model. The OpenAI Chat Model is connected to the AI agent as the language model. This model helps the agent understand the user's question, decide when to use the sheet, read the returned data, and generate a clean, natural language answer. In this workflow, the model is used for reasoning and response generation, while the actual company knowledge comes from Google Sheets. Step 4. Knowledge Base Sheet. The Knowledge Base Sheet node is connected to the AI agent as a tool. This node searches the Google Sheet and returns matching rows based on the user's question. For example, if the user asks about the refund policy, the tool looks for the matching row in the sheet and returns fields like question, answer, and category. This is the key idea of the workflow. The sheet acts as the database, and the AI agent uses it only when needed. Step 5. Telegram Send Answer. After the AI agent creates the final response, the workflow sends it back through the Telegram Send Answer node. The user receives a clear answer directly inside Telegram based on the matching row from Google Sheets. For example, if the sheet contains the refund policy, the bot can reply with the exact refund window, processing time, and payment method details. That's the complete Google Sheets as a database workflow in n8n. It takes a user question from Telegram, sends it to an AI agent, uses OpenAI for reasoning, searches Google Sheets as the knowledge base, and replies back to the user with an accurate answer. This is a simple no-vector deep BRAG alternative for small and medium knowledge bases, FAQs, policy boards, internal support agents, MVPs, demos, and client projects. You don't need Pinecone, Supabase, VV8, or embeddings for every use case. Sometimes a clean Google Sheet is enough. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free Skool community, links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this. See you in the next one.